This week we're going to work with farro. Today we'll talk about it and I'll show you how to cook it. And the next video this week we're going to make a salad. Very, very healthy stuff, guys. Farro is an ancient grain. It's known also as the mother of all wheat. And it was a food staple in ancient Rome. It is an excellent source of protein, guys. Just 1/4 cup of cooked farro will give you 6 grams of protein. So it's a great thing to add to your diet if you're vegetarian and you're looking for sources of protein. It also has tons of fiber, and that allows for healthy gut. It helps with the glucose in your blood. It will help you control diabetes. It's also very good for your heart. It contains zinc, which is great for your immune system. It has magnesium in it. Magnesium is very good for strong bones, for a healthy nervous and muscle system. It has vitamin B3, which converts food into energy, and a wide range of very healthy antioxidants, which is great for your body. For your brain, for your heart, for your liver. Antioxidants help you fight cancer inside your body. It's very, very healthy. So I'm gonna wash a cup of farro. I have about 8 cups or 2 quarts of cold water in this pot, and I'm going to add that 1 cup of farro. I'm gonna add salt. And we're gonna let this come to a boil, guys. Now that this is boiling, I am going to reduce the heat to medium-high, and I'm going to let it cook uncovered for about 30 minutes. This is cooked. It's soft. So delicious. But it's not mushy, okay? So now I'm just gonna drain this water and put this in a bowl. Then it's ready. Use the farro as you would rice, guys, on the side. As I said, we're gonna make a salad with this. You can pair it with anything you want, including, stews and curries. It is very nice. Guys, if you like this video and you give me a like, I'd appreciate it. If you would share this with your friends and comment, that would be great. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.